Question 1. Name the condition that is characterized by the inability to close the eyelids. Option A. Blepharitis. Option B. Lagophthalmos. Option C. Coloboma. Option D. Ectropion. The correct answer is B. Lagophthalmos. Question 2. Which transition layer provides biomechanical rigidity and shape to the cornea? Option A. Basal cell layer. Option B. The middle layer. Option C. Bowman's layer. Option D. Wing cell layer. The correct answer is C. Bowman's layer. Question 3. What are the factors that affect the amount of corneal refraction? Option A. The curvature of the anterior corneal surface. Option B. Corneal thickness. Option C. The curvature of the posterior corneal surface. Option D. All of the given options. The correct answer is D. All of the given options. ऑप्टोमेट्री गोव जॉब की तैयारी कर रहे हैं? हमारे गोव जॉब प्रिपरेशन कोर्स में एनरोल करें और पाएं सब्जेक्ट वाइज नोट्स, एमसीक्यूज, पिछले साल के एमसीक्यूज, मॉक टेस्ट्स, कॉमन ग्रुप चैट और भी बहुत कुछ सिर्फ ₹1249 में एक साल के लिए। Question 4. The movement of water out of the cornea from the stroma through the endothelium and into tears is mediated by? Option A. Ion flow. Option B. Osmotic gradients. Option C. Ion flow and osmotic gradients. Option D. Corneal hydration. The correct answer is C. Ion flow and osmotic gradients. Question 5. Change in corneal thickness or swelling in the cornea refers to? Option A. Corneal guttata. Option B. Corneal stroma. Option C. Corneal edema. Option D. Corneal dystrophy. The correct answer is C. Corneal edema. Question 6. Which are signaling molecules that facilitate cellular communication between cells and with surrounding tissues? Option A. Cytokines. Option B. Cytoskeleton. Option C. Myofibroblasts. Option D. Keratocytes. The correct answer is A. Cytokines. Question 7. Which of the following statement is true regarding the function of choroid? Option A. It does not provide nutrients to the outer retina. Option B. The darkly pigmented choroid absorbs excess light. Option C. The suprachoroidal space provides a pathway for the anterior vessels and nerves. Option D. It regulates the amount of light entering the eye. The correct answer is B. The darkly pigmented choroid absorbs excess light. Question 8. Photoreceptor cells are activated because of? Option A. Dim light. Option B. Bright light. Option C. Darkness. Option D. Visual pigments. The correct answer is D. Visual pigments. Question 9. How many pairs of tubules are present in the modified cilium? Option A. 8. Option B. 7. Option C. 9. Option D. 10. The correct answer is C. 9. ऑप्टोमेट्री लाइसेंस एग्जाम की तैयारी कर रहे हैं? हमारे एमसीक्यूज इन ऑप्टोमेट्री कोर्स में एनरोल करें और पाएं सब्जेक्ट वाइज नोट्स, एमसीक्यूज, पिछले साल के एमसीक्यूज, लास्ट मिनट रिवीजन, कॉमन ग्रुप चैट और भी बहुत कुछ सिर्फ ₹1749 में एक साल के लिए। Question 10. Read the statement and choose the correct answer. Statement A. Rods release the neurotransmitter glutamate. Statement B. Rods are more active in dim illumination. Option A. Only A. Option B. Only B. Option C. Both A and B. Option D. Neither A nor B. The correct answer is C. Both A and B. Question 11. Which part of an eye acts as a shock absorber? Option A, aqueous chamber. Option B, anterior chamber. Option C, posterior chamber. Option D, vitreous body. The correct answer is D, vitreous body. Question 12. Which of the following is not the function of eyelids? Option A, cover the globe for protection. Option B, move the tears toward drainage at the medial canthus on closure. Option C, spread the tear film over the anterior surface of the eye on opening. Option D, bring oxygen and nutrients to the eye. The correct answer is D, bring oxygen and nutrients to the eye. Question 13. The name of bilateral inflammation of the conjunctiva which commonly occurs in an infant less than 30 days after birth is? Option A, ophthalmia neonatorum. Option B, pharyngoconjunctival fever. Option C, epidemic keratoconjunctivitis. Option D, adenoviral conjunctivitis. The correct answer is A, ophthalmia neonatorum. Question 14. Which is the inflammation of conjunctiva with the formation of very large-sized papillae? Option A, atopic keratoconjunctivitis. Option B, flightennular keratoconjunctivitis. Option C, vernal keratoconjunctivitis. Option D, giant papillary conjunctivitis. The correct answer is D, giant papillary conjunctivitis. Question 15. Name of the tight junction that joins the surface cells along their lateral walls near the apical surface. Option A, hemidesmosums. Option B, epithelium. Option C, zonula occludent. Option D, glycocalyx. The correct answer is C, zonula occludent.